Hi, my name is Matt, Regional Sales Manager for WHILL, and today I'm going to be taking you through the Model Ci2 and the app function that accompanies the chair. This app function is really great for being able to change the speeds remotely, drive the chair remotely, and as well lock and unlock the chair remotely using your Android or iPhone app. The first step to using the app feature is to download it from your phone's app store. Once you download the app, make sure the Bluetooth connection is turned on your phone and then hit start to begin connecting it to your WHILL Ci2. From there, enter the login ID and password that came with your chair and connect it. The first screen you'll see after connecting is your home screen. There you can view your remaining battery life, the odometer of the chair, and the estimated range left on its battery, as well as the lock and unlock function to disable the joystick if away from the chair. On the next screen you'll find 3 speed settings for your Ci2. These are Eco, Standard, and Sport mode. Eco will limit the top speed to 2.8 miles per hour and reduce the overall acceleration of the chair. Standard and Sport, however, will allow the chair to reach its top speed of 5 miles per hour, with the only difference being that Sport mode will allow for faster acceleration and turning than Standard. The final feature of the app is the remote drive function. This allows you to drive the chair remotely using the digital joystick within the Ci2 app. This will allow you to drive your chair using just your phone. Thanks for joining the walkthrough of the Ci2 app, and please check out our next segment on configuration and operation.